AI increases the ability for any organization to be able to compete. So it actually is applicable in every sector and function. So whether it's in sales and marketing or in operations, you can greatly change the level of performance and across your entire business. So there's almost no part of the economy which potentially couldn't be disrupted by AI. Well, the first thing is, while it's disruptive, it really is, as we found, most of the applications of AI are extensions of existing use cases in analytics. So to the extent to which an organization is already starting to compete on the basis of the Internet of Things and analyzing that data, they already have a leg up. They simply need to learn to use these new techniques, which we call AI. Well, there are three types of activities which have the greatest propensity to be automated. One of them is physical activities in predictable environments. We've seen this in manufacturing, we'll see it in agriculture, we'll see it in healthcare. But the other two activities are very interesting, collecting data and processing data. And that's activities that are not only done by frontline workers, but are in fact done by people with advanced degrees. And so we'll see these types of activities across many different occupations, increasingly done by machines. There are so many places where science fiction is already becoming science fact. For instance, this ability to talk to computers. It still isn't perfect yet, but we already can ask questions of computers, and that's a powerful thing. We're also starting to see computers be able to predict what people are doing ahead of time, and so we're seeing that happen. Even your mobile is something that we used to see in Star Trek, and it's already here. I think we are going to see machines start to do things which are more routine, things that perhaps people in their best lives wouldn't want to do. And so some of the things that machines find harder to do are interacting with other people, exhibiting creativity. And so some of those are some of the things that we'd expect people to spend more time doing. So one thing that we've discovered is while nearly half of the time that people spend at work are doing activities which theoretically could be done by machines, in fact technology which already exists today, it's going to take some time for that to happen. So there's time to adapt as we adopt. And what that means is we're all going to have to change what we do. And so the biggest challenge we have is not really mass unemployment, but mass redeployment. How can we all retrain to be able to work better with machines as we compete going forward?